Good morning. You have to excuse me for a second, I'm out of breath. I had to help get the neighbor's dog back in the house. It got out for a second. As what neighbors do, we look out for each other. Hopefully Chuck Ward is looking out for the neighbors out here. I know he is. And I'd like to say thank you, Chuck, for not being anything like Ward 2 council member Clarissa Cervantes. As we all know, that bitch is a piss drunk and doesn't deserve to be a council member. Anyways, let's get to the point. As you see these railroad ties and this lath attached to this cheap ass dog ear that really ain't making it much longer, all this is attached to a driveway that is concrete poured on top of railroad ties. As you can see, there's the railroad ties wrapped in some lath and trash and concrete debris. They just dump whatever they can. Okay, so let's just cut to the chase, because I'm tired of making these videos and I want to do some other cool shit. There's the railroad tie. This is the driveway, all fresh and new, attached to the house. Underneath there, railroad ties the whole way down. They got the lath wrapped down here to the dog ear, and they've backfilled it with railroad ties as well and trash. All this is gonna blow out into my property. I beg of you, please. And as I said, excuse me being out of breath. I gotta catch my breath real quick. That little dog was quick. Anyways, as you see this shit starting to blow out into my property, that lath and dog ear ain't helping out so well, is it? So please have the good team, not the team that's working on it now, because they all seem to not want to talk or do what's right. And this poor family, and they're not poor, they don't deserve to be called poor. I mean, poor is unfortunate because no one's looking out for their best interests on almost $1 million purchase. So please, let's do them some good and look out for their investment, so they don't get screwed and lose their house and it gets auctioned off to the next investor to screw over some more homeowners. But yeah, look into that. And as a favor to them, just find out if you're allowed to put all this concrete against that existing wall. Is that gonna blow out the downstairs wall, the downstairs bedroom in a few years? Is any of that done right? Thank you, Chuck. Thank you for not being anything like that piss drunk of that other ward district. Hell, let me show you a picture of her just in case. There she is. That's her getting busted not too long ago and just the other day. Hope you see her today.